Hey, what's up fam? So the 360 booth has been busy, selfie photo booth has been busy, but lately the wedding code sparks, man, these things have been booked every single week. The demand for these are exploding. I don't know exactly what's triggering the demand, maybe because they're just becoming more popular amongst consumers and venues, and also they're a lot more affordable now because there's more in the market. But if you guys are in a city or in a state where no one has cold sparkles, see if you guys can have those cold sparklers running without any type of special certification or licensing, and start renting these cold sparkles, guys. This will be a dope venue. Oh, by the way, let me go ahead and list my supplier in the description box below where I bought my cold sparks. These right here, guys, are 600 watts each, and even though they're smaller, 600 watts is perfect because with 600 watts these things are going to get hot enough and ready to use within like less than 5 minutes. So that's one advantage of having the 600 watts. And then after that, I think it's 800 watts. But I like sticking with the 600 watts because it doesn't pull too much from your outlets. So that's another thing to consider. I hope this video helps. Take care, guys. Good luck on your next event.